let it slide it in. Slide it in and then bend it down. Go ahead, that's all. That's all. Stop. Come back out. Probably clench it. Start bending. Go ahead. Good. Okay. Just take it outside and clench it, and then we'll bend it more.
That's perfect, guys.
Want to go clench it? Yeah.
This is a Baranowski trick for the hilt to attach this. What do you think, Walt?
I don't know what to say right now.
Where's the rust job? Where's the rust job?
Walt, what do you think? Hey, Walt, do you think I'm a polisher? Hi, Dan. Hi, John. Nice shirt.
Feel me coming in.
Our celebration is entering right now. Birthday. Right now, these are 84 250. God bless us all.